In last class we have discussed about importance of plants. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Children, where do animals live? Yes, some animals live on land and some animals live in water. Our topic is about land and water animals. First, we will learn new words. Land, water, animals, elephant, dolphin, whale, crocodile, fast, slow, moving, survive, ostrich, giraffe. Animals live in many different places. Cow, horses, and elephants live on land. Fish, dolphin, and whales live in water. Land and water animals are different from each other because they live in different places. To live in their places, they have body parts that suit the place so that they can live comfortably there. Legs will help an animal move around on land. Land animals do not have organs to breathe in water. They have lungs which helps them breathe on land. Fins and tails help fish to move in water. There are other things they have in common that we cannot see. Water animals have gills. This helps them to breathe in water. These animals cannot live on land because they do not have the organs to breathe in air. There are some animals that can live on land and as well as in water. Frogs, crocodiles, and ducks live on both water and land. They have body parts that help them to live in both the places. For example, ducks have special feet called webbed feet so that they can swim in water. Frogs breathe through their skin when they are in water. When they are on land, they breathe through lungs. This is how they live on land and in water. Children, when do you need to run fast? Yes, sometimes in a difficult situation. Why would you need to run fast? We run faster because we want to stay safe. For example, if a dog chases us, we run faster to save ourselves from the dog. But it is difficult to run fast if our bodies are heavy. Light bodies run faster than heavy bodies, children. So, today we will comparing the running speed of different animals. Children, these are the animals' name. Put these animals in the order from the fastest animal that won the race to the slowest animal that lost the race. Already we know light bodies run faster than heavy bodies. From these animals, giraffe has a light body. So giraffe comes first, followed by the elephant. then the pig, and the buffalo comes last. Most of us can think about the times that we have seen these animals running. The giraffe has long, thin legs. The elephant has long legs, but it has a very big body. Both buffalo and pig has heavy bodies. But buffaloes have longer legs than pigs. Children, why do you think animals need to run fast? Land animals need to run fast to survive. They run fast to catch other animals to eat as their food. Animals also need to run fast to save themselves from other animals that will eat them. This is about fast and slow moving animals. Children, can you say two animals that live in water? Yes, fish and dolphin. Two animals that live on land, horse and elephant. Today's homework, write these two question answers one time in your notebook. Name two animals that live in water. Second question, name two animals that live on land. An animal's eyes have the power to speak a great language. Bye children, have a nice day, take care, see you.